In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset a Nintendo Switch. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video though, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This method works the exact same whether you have the OG Nintendo Switch or the Nintendo Switch 2. And if you want to do a full factory reset on your console, maybe you're selling it start fresh, what you're going to want to do is close any games that you might have running in the background and then go all the way down to this little like settings gear right here. Open this up and scroll all the way down to the very bottom for system. Once you're in system, go ahead and scroll over and you're going to see an option on here for formatting options. This is also called data clear options now, so just keep that in mind. But open this up, then scroll down at the bottom again, and you're going to see a restore factory settings option or reset factory settings option on here. Go ahead and select this, scroll down at the bottom, hit next, and go through the on-screen prompts. You're going to have an option to choose delete all data. Go ahead and make sure that you do that, and then confirm the reset. And the reset process can take anywhere from about 10 minutes to an hour depending on how much data is stored on the console, so just keep that in mind. Once it finishes, the console will restart and everything will be erased. You're not going to be signed into any accounts, no games will be installed, and it's going to look pretty much exactly like how you had it when you first took it out of the box, but that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.